The blueberry pie that was in there, it is very good.
Okay. You already got some.
I did. It's called Berry Explosion, and that's a very good description. It was delish. Did we get it for free? Should we say where we got it?
No.
$12. All right. If they charge us, no plug.
Ice cream extra.
That's right.
Let's talk weather, why don't we?
Well, it's the first day of summer.
I know that.
How about that? Doesn't it feel like it's already been summer for a long time?
A few weeks.
Well, it does to me. I tell you what, 95 degrees again this afternoon, but, you know, we've had 95 degrees since weather since May. It's currently 95 degrees. At 8 o'clock tonight, we're forecasting 90, and our 10 p.m. blending forecast about 85 degrees, and sky should become mostly clear at that hour. Well, here they are. These are the current readings in the shade. The actual thermometer readings now, not the heat index. I'm going to show you that in a second, but it's 99 degrees right now out at the Llano Airport. A little cooler over in Burnet at 92, 93 in Georgetown, 93 in LaGrange, and 93 degrees down in San Marcos. Now, factor in the humidity, and it feels like 103 degrees in Llano. Feels like 104 right now down in San Marcos. And look at there, the hot spot in terms of the heat index, 105 in LaGrange. In Austin, officially, again, 95 degrees in the city. Out at ABIA, skies are partly cloudy, and it is 94 degrees. Our winds are variable at 6 in the city. At the airport, a south-southeast wind at 8 miles per hour. Sunset at 8:36 tonight, the longest day of the year. After today, or approximately after today, we start seeing the days shorten, and the sunset time will start becoming a little bit earlier. Mold count 535 today, medium, and tomorrow the mold count also in the medium category in the allergy forecast for Tuesday. Around the state right now, 100 degrees plus in West Texas from San Angelo all the way to El Paso, 97 in Dallas, 94 degrees in the Houston area. High pressure bubble sitting right on top of us right now, keeping us completely rain-free today. There's not a shower on the radar at all. However, the next 2 days, the high drifts a little bit to the north. When that happens, an easterly flow is allowed to slip underneath that high, and so there's a slight chance come Wednesday and into Thursday that we could get a couple of rain showers coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. Not so much tomorrow, but day after tomorrow, we'll put in a 10% chance of some showers, mainly in our eastern counties. Now, a more significant chance of rain this time of year very often will come from something out of the tropics, and lo and behold, here we have a tropical wave. No guarantee even that this will develop into anything, but it's becoming more organized and will enter an area in which more organization is likely over the next couple of days. The National Hurricane Center today assigning a 30% probability of this developing into a tropical depression or tropical storm within the next 48 hours. Beyond 48 hours, conditions could even become a little more favorable. I want to take you to the Viper system here and show you what we call the spaghetti models. These are the projected forecast tracks. There's your little system in the Eastern Caribbean, and these little skinny lines right there are various hurricane forecast models that very uniformly predict a continued westward movement toward the Gulf of Mexico by the weekend, sitting over here near Cancun, somewhere in the Western Caribbean. And then if you follow that trajectory right on into the Gulf, it could potentially bring it up somewhere toward Texas next week. But that's a long way out. Some of the computer models don't develop it at all. There's at least one that turns it into a hurricane, I noticed earlier today. In fact, in an earlier run of the model, it turned it into a hurricane and took it up toward the big Gulf oil spill area, I mean, right toward it. Let's hope that model is the incorrect one. Well, temperatures around Texas tonight, mid-70s. Around our area tomorrow, yeah, pretty much where they've been today. Tonight, some low clouds coming in late, a low of 75, a south wind at 5 to 10. Tomorrow, mid-90s, south-southeast winds at 5 to 15, and a mostly sunny sky once again. There's that rain chance. It's a slight one, and it's mainly from I-35 east Wednesday and Thursday. High temperatures, again, mid-90s. And, boy, it's a summer-like forecast right there. We just don't see much change all the way through the weekend, and even into early next week and probably into August.
Well, it looks like everybody